Hello and welcome. So I have some beautiful arpeggio patterns for you. And these are patterns that even a total beginner can play. So this is a great introduction to arpeggio patterns. And I've set this up in a way that's not gonna cause wrist fatigue. It's gonna sound stunning. It's something that you can use to impress your friends and family with. So let's take a look at what we're gonna be doing. Because we're working on a beginner skill here, we're going to keep it in the key of C. And for now, I just want you to get comfortable with the notes C, E, and G. And you don't even have to play them at the same time. Your left hand 5 finger can hit C, E, and G, and then your right hand C, E, and G. So let's do that again. C, E, G, C, E, G. Not so bad, right? Now we're going to change our shape just a little bit. We're going to play C, E, A, C, E, A. So notice 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so we're going to do that one more time from the beginning. C, E, G, and just copy it on over to the right hand. We're going to do that 2 times. Then we're going to change it up a bit, so we're going to keep the bottom 2 notes the same, but our thumb reaches up. And then in the right hand, we're going to use our 2 finger on the E. It sounds so pretty already. And now we're going to keep the bottom note again. We're going to play C, F, and A. And C, F, A 2 times. And then back to the C. That's really our pattern. And so, I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like chill and sort of zen already just from playing this. But we're gonna take it somewhere. I wanna give you a little taste of what this can sound like, and then I'll teach you how to do it. So you can speed it up. We're playing these arpeggio patterns, but we're splitting them up between the hands so that we don't have to worry about a thumb tuck right now. We just have to worry about making beautiful sounds. So all I did there is it actually didn't change anything. I just brought the speed up and I used my pedal a little bit. So I'm using a little bit of a wrist rotation to help. And I'm kind of swelling with my volume a little bit too, and that's a skill you will develop over time. But for those of you watching that have a little more experience, you know, I'm kind of building and then I'm pulling back a bit, and that creates some drama. Okay, so I wanted to add one more layer to this because I just think that it makes it look really fancy and extra beautiful. So we're gonna go just exactly like we did, but we're gonna play a crossover. So we're gonna go, and as we're playing with the right hand, our left hand comes up and over to play the note on the bottom of the shape we were just making. It's a little more advanced here, so bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, top, up and over, and then we're gonna just play backwards. So now we're going top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom. So when you do that faster, and then you get to your new shape. Rotate on that over and over and over again. So we start really simple. We start with the shapes. Here, 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 and here. Get comfortable there. And then we work on just a slow roll. 2 for each. Moving through those new shapes. Adding drama and pedal into the mix as you feel ready. Build speed. And then so I'm always hitting C at the top of that crossover, just to keep it simple so I'm not having to think too hard, you could play any of the notes of the chord shape that you're in on top. If you're a little bit more advanced, you'll know what I mean. But otherwise, just play the C. It just kind of caps the whole pattern off beautifully. And then you have something that you can use to create mood. You can play it slow for like that emotional, romantic feeling, or you could play it fast for some more energy and intensity. And don't expect to arrive at the finished product overnight. It'll take some time to develop, but I hope this helps you to see the magic of these arpeggio patterns and why they are such a great tool when we're just wanting to play something beautiful, compose our own songs, or create an accompaniment for a song that we already know. So, happy practicing. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you